We've worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with anyone, whether they are new or returning. If we can help you, simply contact the number on your screen. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.